Hi guys, I will show you how to save and load Polygon2d data with my plugin Perfect Vertices in the newer version 1.1. This new version have these features that you can find here, but only for that version, that is for the Godot Engine 4.4. The older version of my plugin doesn't have this one, but you will find the two zip files, the one for the older versions and the newer versions if you buy my plugins on the Ko-fi page. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Let's suppose that you want to copy and save the info from this Polygon2d to this other Polygon2d. Let's save this data as is right here. Let me show you the weights. As you can see, the first bone has this data, has these weights, and let's save this into a JSON file. Testing.json, testing1. Save. Okay. Now I want to load the data that was saved into the new Polygon2d object. Then I come here, let me show you. Click on Load Polygon2d data from JSON button. Load this one, the testing1 file. Open. And now, as you can see, both has exact the same data. Exact same vertex, outer and inner ones, and the same bone weights. It's basically the same. And that's it. That is how you save and load the Polygon2d data into JSON files using my plugin. This only will work if the skeleton 2D is exactly the same for both Polygon2d objects. Okay, that's it. If you want to buy my plugin, please visit my Ko-fi page. This plugin will allow you to save hundreds of hours of development. Also remember that this plugin is compatible with the precise bone weights, as you can see on the screen. If you use both, then you can save hundreds of hours of development, because both really have some functionalities that the Godot Engine should have, but it lacks of, so please buy them. And let me keep making this kind of plugins. Let me tell you, I use them to make animations, to make my characters in order to make them animatable or capable of animation, easy to animate. So I guess you can do the same. So I know for sure that this will help you. Okay, thank you, see you later. The links are on the description.